How can we view other people's WhatsApp stories without them knowing we saw them? In this video, I will explain two methods. I will share these with you. These two methods do not work for everyone, but they work 80% of the time. Once you enter and come to the stories section, for some users who have posted stories, the thing you need to perform is to turn on the airplane mode on your mobile phone. Once you have turned on your airplane mode, then you enter and watch the stories while in airplane mode because they were already loaded, so it will not show that you viewed them. For the next method, go to Settings, then enter the Privacy section, and once you are in this part, activate this option. Once you activate this option, now since my internet is off, let me turn it on, and once this option is enabled, when you view a story, the other person will not realize you have seen it, as your name will not appear in the viewer list, and they will have no information about when you watched it. You have viewed the story. When you also post a story, if this option is enabled, if someone views your story, it will not show you again. It will not display the specific time that this person viewed your story.